again and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just seeing me, Kina Befe, for the very first time, you're highly welcome. Just subscribe and hit the bell beside of the subscribe button so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. That's if you've not subscribed. And to my already existing subscribers, thank you so much. I love you and I do appreciate you. Befe Show is all about portraying African food, environment and lifestyle, and today I'll be preparing one of Nigerian staples known as porridge plantain. So I'll be taking you through what I'll be using for this recipe. I have my unripe plantain. I have 4 of this, and then my ripe plantain. Normally you just use only unripe plantain, but for those that find it difficult eating unripe plantain, you can add a bit of the ripe one just to make it sweet a little. The next is African shrimps, crayfish. Nigerians cannot prepare things without crayfish now. It's left for us to add crayfish to akamu. So this is very important for Nigerians and it's very important for this recipe. I also have my onion, very important. I have my salt to taste. I also have my cube to taste. I have my pepper flakes. I actually blended this myself. You can make use of any pepper of your choice. You can make use of fresh pepper or the other type of pepper, but I love this with this recipe. I love the flavor it gives and the taste. I don't just know why, I just love it. And then my pium throwaway periwinkle. What can Nigerians do without periwinkle? Yes, I have my periwinkle. I've cut this, I've cut it and I've thoroughly washed it to take out the dirt. I have my ugu leaf, pumpkin leaf, very important. I've washed it, thoroughly washed it, and I've shredded it. I equally have my palm oil for the color and the shine, very important for this recipe. And then the last but not the least is my salmon fish. You can make use of any dried fish of your choice. This is Abidjan salmon, very tasty, very good, perfect. So let's begin the cooking process. Yes, first thing first, I want to clean up my plantain and then cut it. Okay, so I've thoroughly washed my plantain. Then I'm peeling off the skin. Okay guys, one thing I hate doing is peeling unripe plantain. See, because it gets to enter your nails. Okay, so what I do is that I divide the plantain into 2. So it's now in 4 equal parts. You can decide to take it on any size you want. It all depends on you. That is what I want mine to look like. I'm done with my plantain, so I want to start cooking. You can see I've added enough water. The plantain is virtually swimming in the water, so let me put on the gas. So I'll cover this to start boiling. Just immediately it starts boiling, I'll be back. Yes, so our plantain has started boiling. This is simple meal. You just have to add this. So I'm adding my onion, this is my pepper flakes. You just have to add your pepper based on how you can take it. Okay. Adding my crayfish. There's a cube I'm adding. I'm also adding my fish. My periwinkles. You will notice I haven't added salt, and that's because of the crayfish and the cube I added. I want it to boil first so that I don't have to add excess of salt. And when you're stirring, you just have to be careful because of the fish. You don't want to scatter your fish, you still want it to be whole. So now this is going to boil, and boil. Wow, wow, wow. This has been boiling, so I just want to taste it to see if I need to add salt. Okay, I need salt. So I'll cover it to continue boiling. The plantain has been boiling for about 10 minutes now. That's 5 to 10 minutes. So this is what it looks like. I want to add my palm oil now, so my palm oil cooks very well. Still cover this to cook. So these are plantain. It's been cooking, and you can see, you can notice or you can know that your oil is cooked when you don't get to see the red, that red shiny part on top. So I want to check if my plantain is ready. So you pick one plantain, then you divide it into two. You can see the inside is cooked. If the inside is not cooked, you see it whitish. I just tasted it and it's cooked. Perfect. So the last but not the least ingredient is our ugu leaf. Guys, this is beautiful. You can add as much or as little as you want. So when you're stirring, you have to be careful so that you don't scatter your fish. I think I need more of it. On. I'll just cover for a few seconds and our food is ready. Yes, so guys, our food is ready. So I'm turning off my gas. Guys, you're invited. Come and eat. Let me take some of my fish. My parenting. This is perfect. You just need to try this. Try this out. Just try it out. I can't wait to consume the whole of this. Trust me. As you know, Befe Show is all about African food, environment, and lifestyle. So you don't expect less, right? So if you've not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Just hit the subscribe button so you get notified when next I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Befe Show, we're back. Bye bye.